Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create trending split transition video editing using CapCut. Okay, before we start the editing, I'm going to show you how the result looks like. Okay, the result will look like this. And first of all, guys, I'm going to create new project on CapCut. We can select new project and then you can import your photo or your video that you want to edit and click on add. And then here I'm going to duplicate my photo, but wait, let me remove the CapCut ending. Okay, but wait, let me set the duration. I'm going to make it, for example, 6 seconds. And then we can duplicate it, select duplicate, and then make it as an overlay. Okay, and then I'm going to place it here. And then I'm going to cut the second photo. Okay, and then for the first photo, guys, I'm going to apply mask. Okay, you can choose mirror mask and then you can place the mask like this for the first photo. And for the second photo, I'm going to apply mask as well. I'm going to go to the mask option and then select the mirror mask, and then you can place the mask. Okay, done. And then duplicate your photo, and then you just need to repeat this step, guys, until it's full. Okay, and make it as an overlay. Okay, done. And then I'm going to apply mask as well. Place the mask like this, and then again we're going to duplicate it one more time. I'm going to select duplicate and then make it as an overlay like this. And then I'm going to go to the mask and then place the mask like this. Okay, done. And then it will create something like this, guys. Wait, let me play it. And now it's time to add animation. Go to the animation and add slide down and apply this animation to all the photos. Okay, like this. And then I'm going to add black flash effect. I'm going to search for black flash like this one, guys. Okay, and apply it to all the photos. And then I'm going to add play pendulum effect, this one, adjust it, and I'm going to make it 15. Okay, and apply it to all photos. Okay, finally it's done, and this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.